Assalamualaikum dear students of class 7th. This is me your teacher Mushtaq Ahmed at Veria Foundation College Naushar Feroz, subject teacher computer. Dear students, today we are going to study about data storage, and dear students, in this topic we will discuss about bit and byte. Dear students, first of all we have to concentrate it data storage. What is a data storage? Data storage is one of the stages of data processing cycle that we studied in chapter number 1. So, dear students, you are already familiar to data storage. That data storage is a stage where data or raw data is stored into the computer for future use or for coming time use. So, dear students, data is stored in the memory of the computer, and data consists on the basic and smallest units that are known as bits. So dear students, in the first chapter we studied that computer has a memory that can store a lot of data for the coming time usage. So whenever we are going to use or store data, the memory of computers enables us to process data whatever we want to carry in the process. So, dear students, data is stored in the memory of computer using the bits. So, first of all, we are going to discuss about bit, and later on we will discuss about byte. Dear students, we know that computer stores data in binary signals. These signals are known as 0 and 1s. So, dear students, whenever data is stored in the computer, so first of all we can say that bit is the basic and the smallest unit of data, and bit is in the form of electronic pulse that is recorded in the memory location as a bit. Dear students, bit is derived from binary digit. It is the smallest unit of data. Computer can process and understand it easily. So it means that data in computer is stored in the form of electronic files. The size of computer's memory is measured by amount of electronic signals that can be stored into a computer. But dear students, byte is usually the combination of 8 bits. It means that 8 bits are combined with each other to make or to form a complete byte. In simple words, we can say byte is usually the combination of 8 bits. Each byte represents a character on the keyboard. So, dear students, this is a byte for letter C. As you can see that 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1. So dear students, this is the byte of letter C. When you will see the decimal equivalent or the decimal equivalency of the word C, and you will solve its binary, you will achieve the same code by converting its decimal equivalent into binary form. So dear students, we can talk about memory size. We refer to memory size in terms of kilobytes, megabyte or gigabytes. Let's discuss these large units. So dear students, bit is the smallest unit. Byte is the combination of 8 bits, and here we will talk about the largest units of the data. 1 kilobyte is equal to 1024 bytes. 1 MB means megabyte are equal to 1 MB megabyte are equal to 1024 kilobytes, approximately 1 million bytes. 1 GB means 1 gigabyte equal to 1024 MB, and 1 TB terabyte is equal to 1024 GB. So dear students, here we have discussed about some units of data, that binary bit or bit is the smallest unit of data. Even when computer understands any letter in form of binary digits, whatever binary is formed in form of zeros and ones, each digit is known as a bit. When zeros and ones are calculated as its number becomes 8, it is completely known as a byte. Simply we can say 8 bits means 8 zeros or 8 ones, or some zeros, some ones whose combination is 8 are used to make a complete byte. So dear students, byte is formed when 8 bits are joined with each other. So dear students, byte is the combination of 8 bits, and these are the larger units of the data. Kilobyte. In kilobyte there are 1024 bytes, and in 1 megabyte there are 1024 kilobytes, and 1024 megabytes, 1024 megabytes are formed when the 1 GB is equal to 1024 megabytes, and terabyte is equal to 1024 gigabytes. So dear students, these are the largest units of the data, and these are the small units of data. So dear students, today we have discussed about bit, byte and large units of data. So our lecture ends here, and your homework is to fill in the blanks on book page number 24. Dear students, you will have to fill in the blanks with the pencil and send me on our WhatsApp group. Dear students, our lecture ends here, and we will meet in next lecture. Still Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum, dear students.